Hi there everyone, how are you going today? A lot has happened since my last video. As you know, the rewards have been decreased once again. So if you thought it was bad before, well, it just became even worse. It is now literally impossible to make any profit at all for a win, no matter what character level or weapon you have. However, not all is lost though, especially if you believe in this project. Later on, I'll give you my thoughts as to why I'm still upbeat with the project. By the way, at the end of the video, I'll also be giving away that 3-star sword I promised to a lucky subscriber, so please hang around for that. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a like and ring that bell notification so you can get the latest info. So in today's video, I will play using just the one account and then calculate how much money you can expect at the moment based on this level and this sword. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to super fast forward through all of this gameplay, and I might cut some as well. This is based on 2 level 33 characters and 2 level 32 characters. Gas expenses came to $1.26, using 200 stamina in 4 games. Total won in skill was $1.01. Skill price was $39.04 at the time. Total loss playing one account came to 25 cents. But I was able to gain double experience. Okay, so I realized I lost about 25 cents in this one account, but I figure that I can at least level up my characters to level 41 during this downturn. So, what am I going to do with my accounts and skill going forward? Well, basically, I'm just going to play the odd game at 200 XP for now. Right now you get double XP rewards. Even though I will lose a little money, the way I look at it, it is a good investment going forward. If the token is successful, that strategy will pay off. I'm really excited about the future for CryptoBlade Kingdoms, player versus player battles, Clover.finance blockchain announcement giving CryptoBlades multi-chain initiative. This could make the current fees issue disappear. One other thing which is absolutely priceless is the CryptoBlades community. Think about it, their Discord server is packed at 100,000, no more can fit in. They have had to make another just for announcements. Telegram is at 38,000 members and currently around 394,000 addresses hold this token. Also, whenever I check CryptoBlades on CoinGecko, it is almost always one of the top trending searches. Honestly, one of the biggest challenges of a new token is creating a community or a network, and I think CryptoBlades has done that already. I don't see CryptoBlades team slowing down or giving up on this project anytime soon, as they have already done the most difficult part. Now, all they need to do is make it profitable. No team is perfect, and when things grow this quickly, they are bound to have growing pains. At least with CryptoBlades, you know they have a dev team that will do its best to create a game that will last. You definitely cannot say that with other DeFi or NFT projects out nowadays. Everyone, however, you should make your own decisions though, on what you will do individually going forward. I'm happy to take the risk and realize at the end of the day I could lose my investment. So, this is not investment advice, it's giving you my take on what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. By the way guys, I would like to mention a really cool new YouTube channel called Optimal Strategy. I will leave the link in the description. I recommend him because he has a lot of first-hand info on CryptoBlades project that other YouTubers just don't have. He has contributed to the development of the game and has insights on what the developers are talking about and can share some of the info with his followers. So definitely check him out if you want a deeper insight into CryptoBlades goings on. In his latest video, he talks about why you couldn't buy 4 or 5-star swords last week. I had no idea what the reason was until I watched his video. So definitely worth a gander if you get the chance. Okay, so I'm just going to announce the winner of the 3-star sword from the last couple of videos is Tim Sukamot. My question was how to improve CryptoBlades, and his answer was really excellent. For improvements and growth, they need to increase the number of quality skill syncs. I know they're trying to keep the ROI to be 1 month, but increasing the skill cost of character swords would make greater skill sync and retain the current user's sword character value. Great answer, mate, and I'm sending you that right now to your wallet address. Okay guys, that's all for now. Please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and check the notification bell. I'll leave you with my closing thoughts of a YouTube channel which likes to copy. And finally, I just wanted to talk about an imposter crypto Simplified who is trying to hijack my channel. Basically, I've been making crypto related content on YouTube since late last year, and just recently an imposter who has decided to call himself the same name and is also doing similar content. I've tried to contact him through his channel on numerous occasions, but he just deletes my posts. Hopefully by calling him out on this video, he can at least contact me and we can work something out, and hopefully he can get himself his own YouTube channel name without stealing mine. Those of you who watch both channels, I appreciate your support and see you next time. Bye for now.